Test 1, chapter pair of straight lines. So test in the form of MCQ, test for 30 marks. So see first question. Question 1. The joint equation of the pair of lines through the origin, one of which is parallel to 2x plus y equals to 5 and other is perpendicular to 3x minus 4y plus 7 equals to 0 is. You have to find joint equation of the line passing through the origin. One line is parallel to this first line 2x plus y equals to 5 and other is perpendicular to 3x minus 4y plus 7 equals to 0. So the option A is 8x square minus 10xy plus 3y square equals to 0. Option B 8x square plus 10xy plus 3y square equals to 0. Option C 8x square plus 10xy minus 3y square equals to 0 and option D 8x square minus 10xy minus 3y square equals to 0. Question second. The combined equation of the lines trisecting the angles in second and fourth quadrant is. So you have to find the combined equation of line which trisect the angle in second and fourth quadrant. So option A is root 3 into in bracket x square plus y square minus 4 times xy equals to 0. Option B is root 3 in bracket x square minus y square plus 4 times xy equals to 0. Option C is root 3 into x square plus y square plus 4 times xy equals to 0 and option D is root 3 into x square minus y square minus 4xy equals to 0. Question third. The joint equation of the two lines through the origin, each making an angle of 60 degree with x-axis is. So you have to find the joint equation of two lines both passing through the origin, each make an angle 60 with x-axis. So option A is 3x square minus y square equals to 0. Option B is x square minus 3y square equals to 0. Option C is 3x square plus y square equals to 0. Option D is x square plus 3y square equals to 0. Question number 4. The separate equations of the lines represented by x square minus 4xy plus y square equals to 0 are. Here you have to find the separate equations and combined equation is given. So first option is A, y equals to 2 plus root 3x. Option B, y equals to 2 minus root 3x. Option C, y equals to 2 plus or minus root 3x. Option D, y equals to 2 plus or minus root 3x. Question 5th. The equation 3x square plus 2xy plus 7y square equals to 0 represent 2. So the options are option A, real and distinct lines. Option B, real and coincident lines. Option C, imaginary lines. Option D, perpendicular lines. That means you have to check whether the lines are real and distinct, real and coincident, imaginary lines or perpendicular lines from the given equation. Now question number 6. If 2x plus y equals to 0 is one of the lines represented by 3x square plus kxy plus 2y square equals to 0, then the value of k is. From this combined equation, one line is given which is 2x plus y equals to 0. So you have to find the value of k. So option A is 1 by 2, option B is 11 by 2, option C is 5 by 2 and option D is minus 11 by 2. Now see question number 7. If the slope of the lines given by 12x square plus bxy minus y square equals to 0 differ by 7, then the value of b is, here slope difference is given which is 7 and combined equation of the line is given. You have to find the value of b. So option A is 2, option B is plus or minus 2, option C is plus or minus 1, option D is 1. Question number 8. The condition that the lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equals to 0 are equally inclined to the coordinate axis is, option A is h equals to a, option B is h equals to a equals to 0, option C is a plus b equals to 0, option D is h equals to 0. Question number 9. If the sum of the squares of the slopes of the line ax square minus 3xy plus y square equals to 0 is 5, then the value of a is, here sum of the squares of the slope is given which is 5 and combined equation is given. You have to find the value of this small a. So option A is 2, option B is minus 2, option C is plus or minus 2 and option D is 1. Now see question number 10. The measure of the angles between the lines sin square theta minus 1 into x square minus 2 times xy cos square theta plus y square cos square theta equals to 0 is, option A 5 by 6, option B is pi by 3, option C is pi by 4 and option D is pi by 2. Question number 11. If the slope of one of the lines given by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equals to 0 is 5 times the other, then that means here one slope is 5 times the other slope. Option A is 2h square equals to 5ab, second option B 5h square equals to 9ab, option C h square equals to 9ab and option D 5h equals to ab. Question number 12. If a square plus 14ab plus b square equals to 12h square, then the angle between the lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equals to 0 is, so option A is 30 degree, option B is 60 degree, option C is 45 degree and option D is 90 degree. Question number 13. The equation x square plus y square into p square plus q square minus r square equals to px plus qy bracket square represent a pair of lines through the origin, then the condition that the lines are coincident is, option A r equals to p plus q, option B r square equals to p square plus q square and p equals to 0, option C p square plus q square equals to r square or r equals to 0, option D p square minus q square equals to r square or r not equals to 0. Question number 14. The joint equation of the pair of lines through 3 minus 2 and parallel to x square minus 4xy plus 3y square equals to 0 is, option A x square plus 4xy plus 3y square minus 14x plus 24y plus 45 equals to 0, option B is x square minus 4xy plus 3y square minus 14x minus 24y plus 45 equals to 0, option C is x square minus 4xy plus 3y square minus 14x plus 24y minus 45 equals to 0 and option D is x square minus 4xy plus 3y square minus 14x plus 24y plus 45 45 equals to 0. And last question is question 15. The point of intersection of the lines represented by x square minus 9y square minus x plus 3y equals to 0 is option A 1 by 2 1 by 6, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, option C minus 1 by 2 1 by 6, option D minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. So you have to solve this test. Best luck. Answer will be provided in next video.